Hello everyone, nice to have you back. It's MOC and a new project is upcoming. And for this week I have chosen to build the ice cream shop from the Lego City. It's the 60363 and I saw this one and I was thinking, because the last project it was the lifeguard truck. If you have missed it, please check it out. But I really enjoy to build like a beach environment, and when I saw this on the shelf, I said this one is gonna be for this week. So I have a couple of ideas what the MOC and the environment will be. But first of all, it's maybe gonna be a bigger beach and a sidewalk, or maybe a downtown area. I don't really know. Please hit that in the comment what you want me to build. But anyway, this is it, and it's a pretty cool, and have 3 minifigures and a little bike and etc. And I really got stuck to Lego City with the fast food and the food like in any different way. It doesn't really matter, but I thought this one is gonna be excellent for this week's project. Anyway, like always, this one is my inspiration source for this week's project. And first of all, we're gonna unwrap it. I'm gonna make a speed build for it. And then we're gonna start up the project, which will be presented on Sunday. So let's wrap this one up and let's get started to build. Let's go. is complete. It was a really fun little set to build. It had a couple of really awesome and new feature which I haven't seen before, and this is the small bicycle. I think it's one of the minifigure who's riding with, I think maybe it's dad or a big brother. Anyway, so he's driving and the little birthday guy is just riding in this cool feature. Otherwise, it have like a really cool interior, and yeah, so it was really fun to build. So it's a good tip that build this one also. And yeah, so what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna use this. As I was building this, I found and I had a couple of ideas what I wanted to do. First of all, maybe like, as I mentioned, it's gonna be like along the beach with a sidewalk, a little beach on the end, or maybe like a downtown next to maybe a little burger shop or a garage or anything. But that's my initial idea. But as usual, those who have followed my channel know that I can have like an idea at the start, but it's changed many times until we have like a strict, cool, awesome environment around this particular set. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start to build the mock, and the final result, like always, is gonna be presented on Sunday, so don't miss that out. So hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and why not give a comment what you want me to build with this one. So I'm gonna take your ideas and maybe gonna put it together and mention you in the video. So I will see you on Sunday. Don't miss that out, guys. And until then, take care. Bye bye.